Hi, welcome to Erotech Solutions. This application regarding smart trolley using microcontroller, and here we have different units. So I used 7 volts battery, which is 3.3 and 3.3, whereas 6.6 volts will come out the output, and microcontroller unit and 16 cross to LCD and power extension and driver module. I use it for DC motor operation. So, and this is RC522 card reader. So whereas all these units which are connected together, and I took power source from the battery here, which is connected through adapter, and whereas microcontroller connected with LCD screen, which is 16 cross 2 size. And coming to connections, so RS enable, which are connected across pin number 2 to 7. So whereas you required 6 IO lines for this RS enable and 4 data lines, and VCC grounds are connected with this power extension. Whereas RC552, which will works on SPI based protocol, so which is required 7 lines VCC, ground, and MISO, MOSI, and clock and reset pin. So these are the lines I just connected with the module, and I'm using different price tags here. So I just assumed for different products. So one card I made it as one product tag. So once I start operation, so as per price, fixed price on the tags, so you can get it display on the text screen, and the basket will be open with the help of DC motor operation. So I'll just power up this module. So once if I start, you will get project title, which is shopping trolley system. And now, so I'll show the price tag on the RFID reader. So once I swipe the tag, so the basket will open, and the product I can keep it in my basket, and you can see door close and open operation. And I'm going to check with one more tag. So this is my stationery, so I'll put stationery into the basket, open close. And if you want to make the final payment, so I'm just using my card, the total amount which will display it on the screen, and amount will be debited. Bill clear. Thank you. So shopping trolley project will work, and if you are looking for this project, you can contact us, the number displayed on the screen. Thanks.